Get our kits for 70 to 81 Firebird. They come in two varieties. We've got your traditional 5-hole dash here, that's for your Trans Am or your higher end Firebird. Then we have the 3-hole dash here for your base model of the Esprit. They both are set up basically the same way. They include mostly the same components. Your 5-hole kit will include the 2 brackets to install in the factory location like you see here. The 3-hole kit will include the single bracket with the gauges to install in the factory location here. They both feature full 6-gauge functions, just like any other gauge kit, and they install in the factory location and they look great. Now, what comes in the kit? What comes in the kit, you'll get your mounting brackets, depending on which kit you have. It'll either be this one or this one. It'll come with your instruction booklet for the gauges, instruction booklet for the bracket, temp sender, pressure sender, bushing kits, wiring harnesses, and the back clamps and hardware to install them in the dash. What's great about these kits too is they work on virtually any powertrain combination, from an old school carb and a turbo 350 to a modern LS or LT with a 5-speed or an automatic, all without any boxes, modules, or drivers. You can choose from a wide variety of styles that fit the theme of your build. From mild to wild, there's sure to be a kit that's right for you. Bold graphics, LED lighting, make the gauges look great day or night. NVU has been known for decades as the leader in gauge design. The exciting styles make a bold statement without going over the top. Whether you're going for a retro vibe or an exciting modern look, we have something to fit your bill. Our gauges are more than just great looking. Modern technology based on our OE military and simulator lines pack features you wouldn't have expected. Auxiliary inputs, built-in indicators, settable odometer mileage, performance timers, and sequential shift alerts are just a few of the things that push the performance over the top. Wiring is simplified by using our exclusive Phoenix direct drive system that reduces wiring time by 75%, saving time and dramatically decreasing installation errors. By far the cleanest wiring solution available. Even a novice builder can get professional results that look just as good from the back as they are from the front. You can simplify things even more by using our Snap Adapt plug-and-play harness for an even easier installation by plugging directly into the OE harness plug. All products are designed, built, and programmed right here in Detroit and offer a 5-year warranty. If you're looking to upgrade the looks and functionality of your stock cluster, look no further than New Vintage USA, where style meets performance.